Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how I created this green and yellow makeup look. So let's get started. I'm first applying my favorite Overachiever concealer from Huda Beauty all over my eyelid as a base. For this look, I'm mostly using the Iluvsarahii x Colourpop Through My Eyes palette, but I'm going to be adding one other shade from another Colourpop palette. But right now, I'm taking this beautiful yellow eyeshadow shade called Wild Soul from the Through My Eyes palette, and I'm applying this into the crease and also onto the inner half of my eyelid. This look is very much inspired by one of the looks Karen is rocking in the promo photos for this palette. So next I'm taking this matte green shade called Moody, and this shade is going into the outer corners of my eyes and also a little bit into the crease. Now this might take a little bit of time to blend out just because there is such a big difference between the light yellow and the dark green. But just take your time and add a little bit of color at a time. Next I'm gonna go in with this beautiful metallic green shade called Licious from the Good Sport palette, also by Colourpop. And this shade I'm applying into the outer corners where the green meets the yellow. For my inner corners, I'm mixing a little bit of Licious with Ludido from the Through My Eyes palette for a nice inner corner highlight. You guys know me and my obsession with this Kini liquid shadow from Fenty Beauty. I will literally use it every time I get a chance to. So here I'm applying it into the inner corners and also on the metallic shade in my outer corners. Now I'm just going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the shade Marigold and line my waterline. Here I'm defining my upper lash line using the Serial Liner from Nabla Cosmetics. Now I'm gonna finish off this eye look using the Colourpop BFF Mascara and Russian Blue Lashes from Feline Lashes. On my cheeks, I'm applying my absolute favorite blush, and that is the blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Peachy Love. And then I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs All Over Foil Luminizer in the shade Guilty to highlight. For lips, I'm first applying the Iluvsarahii x Colourpop liquid lipstick in the shade Sueño de Coco, and then I'm lining the contours of my lips with LA Girl lip pencil in Keep It Spicy. And then I'm gonna top it all off with the Iluvsarahii x Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Glass Lip. And that is it for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!